Hello guys, I recently made a movie booking app in C language. This program just outputs the basic features of a movie booking app, like it allows to choose a movie name, timing, seat row, etc. But its code is very long and messy. You can see it's about 400 lines. In order to make this into a maintainable and readable code, I'm going to do some changes here. First, let us understand this code. In main function, there are some variables for choosing time, seat row, permission, etc. Below this, movie names are given, which user can choose by using their expected numbers. After that, an if-else ladder is used. If user chooses movie number 1, then he will see movie numbers 1's related info. In if statement, movie name, description, duration, its price is given. Then user can choose seat row, timing and can book the movie. So what are the problems here? If you see, for every movie, the same if-else statement is used. Only name, description things are changed here. And for different timings, same code is written 4 times in a single if-else statement, which makes this program's code already lengthy. To solve this, first I will make the movie names as variables. Now if I want to print movie name anywhere, I can just use variables instead of writing same big name again. So these first things now looks organized. Now in if statement, I want to write this very long code only one time. To achieve this, first I will make a function which prints this long code according to movie number and movie. So in function called movie temp, I will take two arguments, movie name and movie number. Here I will make timing variable for user input, and I will use these timings as variable like t1 for 9 am, t2 for 11, etc. And basic seat row permission variables. Then I will print movie name. Now after this I will use an if-else ladder, which will print the description according to movie number. In this, I will use simple functions for movie's description, like for movie number 1, m1 function will simply print its description. Then price, seat booking, timing will be same as before. Now here you can see I have to print this same code again and printing different timings in ticket. To solve this, I will keep if-else statements same, but for the repeating code, I will make another function called movie time, which will take timing and movie number. I will print the same code and just use the movie name and timing as variables. I will use this function in these if-else statements. And now our all functions are ready. I will use movie temp function in these if-else statements, and you can see I have just removed all repeating things and I have to only write the function name in order to print the code. This makes the program easy to understand and maintain. Now if you think that this code can be improved more or whole different logic can be used, then please suggest me in comments. All source code's Google Drive file is available on my Hindi website and it's linked in description. And thanks for watching.